learn how to install a wireless printer on the Mac. First, let's go down to System Preferences, which is our little gears icon in the dock. Next, let's click on Printers and Scanners. Before embarking on this, make sure that you have the printer turned on. Next, I'm going to click the little lock right here, which is a security feature within Mac. It will prompt you with an administrator's name and password. In most cases, that will be your login. Then, once that lock is unlocked, we'll go ahead and click the plus sign. The Add Printer will do a quick little search, and it has found my HP DeskJet 2600 series. I'll go ahead and click that. And I'll go ahead and click Add. And right now it's setting up that DeskJet printer. Alright, so we can now see that the printer is all set up. I can now go and send a test page to it. And here we can see my printer up here in the selection. I'm going to go ahead and click Print. And if you can hear it, my printer is printing, so it worked. And it is that easy to set up a printer inside Mac. If you would like to see other similar videos, please feel free to subscribe and be notified of more content. And you can ring the little bell next to subscribe as well. And if you have any questions, please feel free to post it in the comments section below.